Hi. 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 Why? Hi. 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 Why? Why? Huh? Why? Why, baby? What happened? It's crazy? You crazy? Crazy? Yalla, take me, Misa. It's too much hot. Yalla. It's crazy boy. It's crazy boy. Yalla, come. Aywa. Aywa. You see, Lucy, take kaka. Yalla, go take kaka. Yalla, go. Take kaka you. Take kaka. Yalla, go. Go there. You see, Lucy? Lucy, what you make? Lucia. Lucy. Lucy Musi. How are you, baby? How are you? Come here. Give me alone. Jack. How are you, baby? Where you go? Where you go? Ah, where you go? Come here. Finish? No, it's not finished. It's too much hard. Ah, your kakay is too much hard. Huh? Give me alone, Jack. Jack, give me alone. I tell you, give me alone, Jacko. Jack, crazy boy. Give me alone. You make nothing. It's too much hard, Lucy. Because you not drink water, huh? You drink water, huh? You finish, let's go on inside, drink water, okay? Habibi. Habibi Lucy. Habibi Lucy. Habibi Lucy. Huh? Jack. Jack, give me alone, Lucy, Jack. Go there. Tumatay, hindi makatae. Ayun, nakatae na pala. Yalla, go inside. Too much hot. Huh? Too much hot. Where I look in your eyes. Where are you go? Why? Why are you hiding there? Huh? Where you go, Lucy? Huh? Where you go? Go there. Go there. Go this side. Go. Didilig tayo, guys. Maraming init. Mamamatay yung halaman. Kawawa naman. Yung garden namin mas malaki pa sa bahay. Yan. Kailangan namin bigyan ng oras. Ang paglilinis namin is step by step. Dahil hindi matatapos ng 3 oras. Paglilinis ng garden. The garden tayo guys. Para tayo buti nga nabuhay siya eh. Dati may gardinero kami, wala. Patay lahat ng halaman. Nung tinanggal, kami na lang ng driver ang nag-aano ng halaman. Ayun, nabuhay. Jack, where are you, Jack? Sound check. Tuyong-tuyo yung tuyong-tuyo yung lupa. Grabing init. Samantalang kadidilig lang kahapon. Parang mukhang nadiligan nata to kaninang umaga ng driver. Where you go? Huh? Where you go? Huh, Lizzie? Where you go, baby? Huh? Grabing init. Tuyong-tuyo yung halaman. Namamatay. Ngayon is hapon na 45 degree. Grabing init. Mamamatay ka. Kahit sa loob ng bahay, kahit naka-aircon na lahat, pati kusina, pati CR namin may aircon. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin, mainit pa rin talaga. Pag ganitong, sa bagay, na lang, 1 month na lang lalamig na. 1 month na lang lalamig na. October, lalamig na siya. Masyadong kailangan naming diligan. Go! Uy! Masyadong Tamo yung aming garden, malawak pa sa bahay namin. 1/4 lang yung bahay namin sa garden. Tapos wala naman tao. Malaki yung bahay. Walang tao. Ayan. Wala rin silbi yung bahay kahit gaano kalaki, wala naman tao. Ayan. Magbabato-batupik na lang kami ng aso. So baga araw-araw kausapin mo yung aso kung di ka ba mabaliw. Gusto ko na rin umuwi. Hindi ako makauwi dahil dito sa aking aso. Wala magbabantay sa aming aso. Paano ako makakauwi? Dito na lang tayo titira. At least may pera pa tayo. Ha, Lucy? Lucy Musi? Where you go, Jack? Jack, where you go? You want inside, Lucy? Too much hot, baby? Huh? Too much hot? Sa? Grabe init, guys. Grabe init, guys. How are you? Ayun yun guys, yung opisina ng amo ko. Hi! How are you? Ayun yung aming driver, oh. Andun siya sa, andun siya sa kalawakan. Diba? Doon siya. Dito naman ako sa side na to, dito sa front side. Doon siya sa back side. Hi, Habibi! Habibi, where are you? Hi! I love you! Hi, 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 hi! You want inside, Jack? What? I open the door. Jack ko? Jack? Huh? Baby, I open the door. I open the door for you. It's too much hot. Huh, baby? Baby ko? Too much hot. Too much hot, baby. Too much hot. I open the door. Ayun yung aking driver. What you make? Harjit? You make water? Only make water? It's finished, huh? It's nothing, sir? I have little, sir, only. It's for the new one. Huh? 1 week, sir? Don't put for the medicine. You put already? Huh? For the medicine? I heard you buy for the medicine for the blue one? Blue one. You want, sir? I tell you before, sir. Because it's finished, sir, for the blue one. Blue one? Oh. Yeah, blue one. Yeah. Yun. Ayan. Andun yung aso naming siraulo. Ayun. Don't come for the swimming pool, okay? Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Jack! Jack, come here. Pupunta talaga sa swimming pool at magbabasa siya. Magmumukha na naman siyang tae mamaya. Pasaway na aso. Come here, why you take ka here? Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Jacko. Jack, Jack, come here, come here. Jack, come. It's crazy boy. Come here. You see your body now is too much weight. Para ka na namang itan yan. Come here. Why you come for the swimming pool, Jack? No, it's too much sweet. Yala, go, Harjid. Harjid, call me. Go, Harjid. Yala, go, Harjid. Yala, tell Harjid, I want play. Jack, go, Harjid. Harjid, I want play. Ayaw niya makipaglaro sa aso. Naubos yung oras niya pag nakakalaro niya yung aso. Hala ka. Diba? Ganyan. Ganyan yung aming gawain araw-araw. Araw-araw. Hindi yan magtatrabaho pag wala ako. Dahil hindi yan tamang dilig lang yan. Hindi yan naggugupit ng halaman, hindi nagpuputol yan ng mga kahoy. Hindi yan magbubungkal ng lupa pag wala ako. Tatawag yan bago yan siya pupunta sa garden. Ngayon lang yan hindi tumatawag dahil alam niyang nag-YouTube ako eh. Hindi yan siya tumatawag. Pero dati tumatawag yan. Nung nag-YouTube ako, hindi na yan tumatawag sa akin. Kasi alam niya hindi ko siya sasagutin. Ayan. Yung asyenda naming malaki. Lawak ng lilinis namin guys. Sa next week. Magkakabit pa ako ng Christmas tree. Dalawa. Isa sa baba, isa sa taas. Ano na itong buhay na to? Buhay ng OFW. The Lord. I can say Jack, what you eat? Jack ko. No, this side finish. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Ayun yung ginawa namin guys. Oh, malaki na yung aming ginawa sa Bonggabilya. Ginawa namin pa-round. Kala namin magagalit yung amo namin nung ginawa yan. Hindi naman. Natuwa pa. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Ito dati. Patay na yan dati eh. Ngayon nabuhay naman na siya ulit. Ngayon namatay na naman siya. Hi, baby. How are you? You okay? Huh? Jack? You okay? What you make? Come here, come. Come. Hey, come here. Jack, come. Come. Jack, come. Aksa. Come here. Go there. Go. Go. Crazy. What happened? What happened? Huh? What's happened? You see? Too much weight. Now you take a shower. Yesterday I take a shower for you. Now I take a shower bath. It's crazy boy. Too much dirty. One dog is 10 people capacity. Sa Lucy? Jack is too much, ha? Too much problems, ha? Jack is no brain. Sa Lucy? Jack is no brain? Huh, baby? Jack, your brain is where? Huh? Jacko, your brain is where? Huh? No brain? Huh? No brain, Jack? Because no understands, huh?